for you. This rig, the single cab, the 11 power stroke, is officially mine. Quick backstory, the whole time I've had the truck so far, I never actually purchased it. It wasn't actually mine. If you're wondering what the heck I mean by that, I mean it was on the dealer, you know, like the dealer, but now I officially have purchased the truck. It is legally mine. You know, I was contemplating selling it. There was a lot of interest in the truck. Everyone wanted it, and there's a ton of traction. It's actually still on Marketplace. But as it turns out, I just genuinely have grown attached to the thing, and it is officially ours. So, let's ruin it. That yellow jack's still the best jack I've ever had. That's one of them Harbor Freight Daytona ones. That red one's an actual snap-on jack. I have another snap-on jack, and the Daytona was like 90 bucks, and I've been using it for like 7 years. So I got all these wheels collected from having all these weird trucks over the years, and we got the Method with the huge mud grappler, and we got the Cali Off-Road Summit with the Amp MT. So I already had these on the truck. The 14 wides, you know, they look cool, single cab, the whole wide wheel, the whole big stance, the whole thing, you know. Looks pretty cool. Personally, I like it. But we already had those on, so we got to put the big tires on. So we got the big hosses out, the 37 1350 Nitto Mud Grappler. The almighty, probably worst sounding tire in existence is going to go on there, so. Yeah, we're gonna do this. We seem to have sprung a leak on our air filtration system. All right, boys, here we go. We got the mud grapplers on. So here's what I'm thinking. There's only one area of concern, and that's right there. Why is that so close to the mud flap? Front side, we should be looking okay. Man, dude, that freaking air leak is annoying. I think we're going to be all right in the front. We're going to wing it. Should be all right. We should clear. No problems. Back side, though, I mean, a little rubbish. We have contact. Why so close? Pretty loud. Oh yeah. Pretty loud. Oh. Little rubbish. You hear it? Singing. Alrighty. Alright guys, so welcome to the officially new to me, new to owning the truck 2011 F350 single cab. Sun's real bright. We're at beautiful Area 67. We need to do some slight trimming, but do you think it'll do dirt drags with these tires? All right, guys, thanks for checking out the new 2011 single cab. It's been on the channel for a little bit. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we like destroy the thing? Like just jump it? Like we could build a huge jump right there and we could just ramp it. We could like do like 6-7 power stroke, you know, like versus pod, you know, we could just run that over. A lot of ideas are flowing and I need your guys' help. What do you want to see done to this thing? Comment below what you think. You know, it could be anything. Something cool, something funny, something normal, something not normal. I have definitely a few plans. There's actually a care package in the bed for the Platinum that we just did all this stuff with today. Has been in the bed and it's not ideal, but I'll show you what I'm talking about in the next video, so stay tuned for that. A little hint, I was at the SPE HQ yesterday, so that's what's in the bed, and then also lots of stuff in plan, in store for that rig right there. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know. We're up here at Area 67. I don't know what exactly I'm gonna do the rest of the day. We need to get like a tractor up here and like a brush hog and cut all this because it has really gotten out of control. It's just like a raw land, brush, trees, little stuff, cows in the distance. But Area 67 with the 6.7. All right, guys, that's it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you like the single cab, and I will see you on the next one. Peace. Little rubbish.